Good morning, children. Welcome to Mahila Samaja online classes. Class first standard subject maths. Topic is subtraction 0 to 9. Dear children, in our previous class we have studied about addition. Addition means going forward. Now let us study about subtraction. Now study about subtraction, children. Subtraction means backward counting. So children, here is some example. Children, observe carefully here. There are two floors in vase A, and in vase B there are three floors. So children, in vase A you can find one less floor. You can find one less floor. Then vase B, isn't it? Because in vase B there are three flowers. In vase A there are two. That is one less than vase B. That is 2, 3, 1 less is equal 2. See, once again I will say, children, observe carefully. Here there are two floors in vase A, and in vase B there are three floors. So children, in vase A you can find one less floor than vase B, isn't it? Because in vase B there are three floors. In vase A there are two. That is one less than vase B. That is 2, 3, 1 less is equal 2. So now next example, see here children, we see there are 3 tomatoes. How many tomatoes, children? There are 3 tomatoes in the plate. And in another plate you can find 4 tomatoes. You can find 4 tomatoes. That is, there are one less tomato. That is, there are one less tomato, children, in the plate A, isn't it, children? So that is what subtraction means. It means less than. That we have to count backward. That we have count backward, children. That is subtraction. So here see children is the number line. This is the number line. Look at the number line. Observe the arrows. Observe the arrows. Here see we can say that 1 less than 3. We can say that 1 less than 3 is 2. 1 less than 3 is 2. 1 less than 3 is 2. 1 less than 5 is 4. 1 less than 5 is 4. 1 less than 8 is 7. 1 less than 8 is, children, 7. So now let us think 1 less than 1 is how much? 1 less than 1 is how much, children? Yes, 0. So if you have 1 and 1 is taken away, then what will remain? 0. Yes, children, will remain 0. Okay, children? So here given one example, children. Observe the carefully. Cross one cat from each group to show one cat less. Count the number of remaining cats. Write the number in the box. Read the sentence. 1 less than 9 is 8. 1 less than 9 is 8 cats, children. See, given one example. Out of 9 cats, cross 1 cat. Now there are 8 cats left. You write 8 in the given box. 8 in the given box. Already it's given. Next sum is out of 8 cats, cross 1 cat. You can cross 1 cat, children. Now there are 7 cats left. How many? 7 cats left. You write 7 in the given box. 7 in the given box. Next, children, out of 7 cats, cross 1 cat. Now there are 6 cats left. There are 6 cats left. You write 6 in the given box. Next, out of 6 cats, cross 1 cat. Now there are 5 cats left. How many cats? 5 cats left. You write 5 in the given box. 5 in the given box. Out of 5 cats, cross 1 cat. Now there are 4 cats left. There are 4 cats left. Yes, you write 4 in the given box. Next sum is out of 4 cats, cross 1 cat. Now there are 3 cats left. How many? 3 cats left. You write 3 in the given box. Next, out of 3 cats, cross 1 cat. Now there are 2 cats left. There are 2 cats left. You write 2 in the given box. Out of 2 cats, cross 1 cat. Now there are 1 cats left. There are 1 cats left. You write 1 in the given box. Yes, children, out of 1 cat, cross 1 cat. Now there are 0 cats left. How many? 0 cats left. You write 0 in the given box. See, another sum is write the number that is 1 less than given number. See here, children, given numbers also. Write the number that is 1 less than the given number. 1 less than the given number. Here given one example. 2 less than 1 less than 2 is 1. 1 less than 2 is 1. Yes, B. 1 less than 6 is 5. You write 5 in the box. You write 5 in the box, children. Next, 1 less than 1 is 0. 1 less than 1 is 0, children. You write 0 in the given box. Here, 1 less than 7 is 6. 1 less than 7 is 6. You write 6 in the given box. 6 in the given box. 1 less than 5 is 4. 1 less than 5 is 4. You write 4 in the given box. Here next, 1 less than 8 is 7. 1 less than 8 is 7. You write 7 in the given box. You write 7 in the given box, children. Next, 1 less than 4 is 3. 1 less than 4 is 3. You write 3 in the given box. You write 3 in the given box, children. Next, 1 less than 3 is 2. 1 less than 3 is 2. You write 2 in the given box. 9 is, 1 less than 9 is 8. 1 less than 9 is 8. You write 8 in the given box. 8. You write 8 in the given box, children. Children, today's home assignment is you write page number 138 in first sem book. You solve the problems, children. First man read each story, write that is left in the box. Thank you, children.